Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Master Handyman. Today in this video I am going to troubleshoot the outlet and the bathroom because one of the customers, they called me and their bathroom outlet is not working since 3 weeks and 3 or 4 weeks I think, and they wanted me to check it out, what's going on with it. So first of all, I'm sorry, let me put this one away. The outlet is right here, and it's a GFCI outlet. As I can see, it has a light and it has a reset button in the middle. I just have to make sure. I have this flashlight right here. I'm going to check it out. It's not working. Basically, for the GFCIs, usually we have these kind of outlets in the bathroom and in the kitchen area. So I was thinking to reset it, and I'm going to do it right now because sometimes it takes a long time to replace the whole outlet, and I didn't want it to do it. So hopefully it's just the GFCI. Here we go, 1 2 3. Perfect. All right. Okay, let's pray. 1 2 3. Oh, there we go. So the problem solved. It was the GFCI outlet, and it's just a reset button in the middle right here. So anytime if it happens, for you guys, first of all, check the reset button before the breaker or anything. Thanks for watching, guys.